Hi, this is our miniature dachshund Snoopy, who has been missing since Saturday, November 24th, 2012 from Norwalk, Connecticut. We took him for a walk. It was a windy, cold day on the beach, Calf Pasture Beach, and he got scared of another dog and he ran off on the beach. He has been missing for almost a week now, and we've been doing almost everything and anything to find him with no success so far. So this is one of our other options to see if anyone will come forward. Either he got picked up by someone and the person is keeping him, or he's still out there hiding somewhere. We hired scent tracking dogs to find him, but they couldn't trace him out of the marina and the beach area. So if you could help, if you have any information, if you have seen him, if somebody has a new puppy who looks like him, he's about 7-10 pounds. He has red-brown fur. He has longer fur on the back and legs. He is not neutered. He's a male. He had a blue collar on when he disappeared, and he is microchipped. My name is Ginger, and my cell phone number is 201-926-6345. Please call me with any information. Thank you so much for your help.